Hello everyone, my name is Sergio. I am a student of analysis and developer of software SINA. In this video, I'm going to explain how to develop a simple software project step by step. This process is very common in my professional field and it helps of to build application and organize it an efficient way. Introduction is this presentation. I will explain the main steps to develop a software project. Planning, design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance are the most important stage. The first step is planning. In this stage, we define the main idea of the project, the objectives, and the user's needs. For example, we can create an app to register customer or to control sales. We also decide which programming language and tools we are going to use. Good planning helps us to avoid problems during development. The second step is design. Here we create diagrams like ear models of flowcharts to represent the structure of the system. We also design the user interface, thinking about how people we interact with the software. This step is very important because it helps of a clear vision of the final product. The next step is development. Development and maintenance. Once the software is ready without the deployment, this means we install the system on the server or the client's computer finally. We perform maintenance, which included updating the program and solving technical problems that may appear in the future. In conclusion, to conclude, developing a software project requires good planning, design, coding, and testing. Each step is essential to ensure a high quality product. As future software developers, it is important to follow this step, which responsibility and teamwork. Thanks you very much for watching my presentation. Thanks. To continue, uh, diagram, start and identify the new. The process begins with the start stage. The first step is identify the need. This means understand that a customer, a company, or a team requires a solution to problem or new functionality. 3. Gather requirements. Next, we move to gather requirements. Here, the goal is the collect at the necessary information about the problem. This usually done through interviews, surveys, and general analysis of what the client needs. Sorry. 4. Analyze requirements. After gathering the information, the next step is analyze requirements is the stage we try to understand the scope of the project, detect possible constraints, and propose initial solutions. The skills about misunderstanding later. 5. Plan the project. The next step is plan the project. This includes selecting the developer, methodology such as Scrum or Kanban, defining the tasks and estimating the time needed to complement each pass. 6. Design software. Then we go to design software. Here we created UML diagrams, defining the system architecture, and design the database. These stages of clear blueprint of what they are going to build. 7. Develop it and testing. After testing is ready, we go into develop it. This is here the coding happens. Once part of the system is developed, we move to testing. We perform unit tests, integration tests, and functional tests to make sure everything works correctly. 8. Does it meet requirements? After testing, we ask the key question: does it meet the requirements? If the answer is no, we return to develop it to correct and improve it. If the answer is yes, we can move it to the next stage. 9. Deliver the product. When the software meets the requirements, we proceed to deliver product to customer. This includes showing the final results through demonstration, and providing a user manual if needed. 10. Maintenance and support. Finally, the process ends with maintenance and support. Here we fix bugs, update the system, and ensure the software continues to function properly over time. 11. Closing. To submersing, this flowchart represents the complete cycle of software development. It helps ensure organization, clarity, and efficiency in each stage of the process. Thank you very much for attention.